Hey, got a grumpy gopher here. Arctic Circle in my garage. It's cold out here. But I got a project to do for the local Boy Scouts. Hired me to make a couple bag boards for their cornhole. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but made out of sheets of plywood. Got a circle in the middle of it, and they throw bags at it. That's what they call it in the Midwest. Be bags where you're from? I don't know. So I go to local Menards, buy two of these pre-cut boards. They're 2 foot wide, 48 inches long. And I bought some 1x4s at 6 inches long, or 6 foot long, and they cost about $1.99 a piece. And the 4x, these boards here were on sale for $5 a piece, so that's a pretty good deal. So what I'm going to do is I already cut these down to size. Already sanded them all down, and now the next step is I'm going to put some screws in. I got this new fancy little bit that sinks the heads of the screws in, countersinks them. Kind of like that. So that's the next step we're going to do is countersink and attach the boards. Make the square, and then the next step I'm going to use this fancy little gizmo, put pocket holes along the boards and attach it to the top board, and hopefully make everything square. We'll see if it comes out that way. So bear with me. It's cold, my fingers aren't working too good, but we'll go from there. See, it's kind of cool. I don't know how good you can see that on there, but I kind of like it. Right. Don't want to lose that. That's a pricey little thing. Now, switch on over to the other one. In order to attach this, put my pocket holes in first. I think I'll put my pocket holes in first. Probably be a wiser choice, don't you think? Alright, damn, it's cold out here. The older I get, the more I hate winter. I would have made my marks where I decided I wanted my pocket holes at. Gotta remember not to put my clamp on too tight and dent the boards. That'll be more sanding to do. You don't want it too loose, or your thing will move all over the place on you. One day I'll upscale and get one that has more than one. Until then, it's one at a time. I won't bore you with all that. I'll be back when I get them all done.